The ultimate revelation of the balanced diet. Friends, I used to believe that having chapati, dal, and salad can make me fit, but it was not. Friends, we all believe that if we take some of the nutritious thing in our plate can make us and can give us a balanced diet, but it will not. Hi, my name is Bhupendra. I'm an online fitness coach. I'm a lifestyle expert and I help people to lose their fat. Friends, there was a many times in my life when I tried the diets in a balanced way. I always try to have a balanced diet or good nutritious food on my plate so that I would be able to lose my weight, but it was not. I even try to have the chapatis, brown rice, dal, salad, and all the things, but it was not working on me. Just imagine for a moment that everybody is not same. Then how the diet of common people or the common diet which is famous in this whole world can work on everybody? It cannot. Friends, so that's why today I like to talk about the three types of diet for the three types of people. That first type of people who want to increase their weight. Now let's say if they want to have their plate and if they want to increase their weight, then I like to suggest to them that they should have a one ball of dal, one ball of rice, one ball of two chapatis, one ball of vegetables, and one ball of salad. It should be in their plate. There is a second type of person who just want to maintain their weight. They don't want to increase, they don't want to decrease. Then they should have one ball of dal, one ball of chawal, one ball of rice, one ball of salad, one ball of vegetable, along with a portion of a protein, which we can say that have some kind of two eggs or a portion of chicken. Or if a person who want to lose their weight, now they should have one ball of rice along with a portion of protein, could be the egg, could be the soya chunks, could be the tofu, one ball, along with salad and along with two balls of vegetables. Basically, these all are the some of the guidelines of the food for the three types of people. But what diet usually works on you need to give it a try on it. You can start with this very diet and have this type of plate three times in your day. One in your breakfast, one in your lunch, one in your dinner. Definitely for those people who want to increase their weight, they will get the increased weight, and for those people who want to decrease their weight, they will have the decreased weight. Friends, I like to tell you about a story that basically what happens when we eat a food. Let's take an example. Let's take a story of a potato. Whenever I have heard many of the time, I also used to believe that potato makes a person fatty or obese. Of course, it has a high glycemic index. It means that it impact on the blood sugar in different way, but it has the highest satiety chemicals also. It means whenever we have a potato, on that time our mind says that we are full. So now take an example of a potato of 100 gram of potato. 100 gram of potato contains 100 calories. And a normal person who is working in a corporate sector, usually he or she require around calories from 1700 to 2000 calories. So a 100 calorie of a potato, if we are consuming, it gives our mind that feeling of that right now we are full, then I don't think so there is a problem. But how the problem starts, now we will see. Now let's say that we have a 100 gram of potato. Now in a 100 gram of potato, we dip that potato in a sugar syrup. Sugar syrup, you can say right now the potato contains the 2 spoon of sugar. Now the 100 gram potato or 100 calorie potato has become a 200 calorie potato. The potato is something like this and 2 spoon of sugar are something like this. So now the potato has become a 200 calorie diet. Now let's dip that potato into a ball of oil. Now the same potato has become a 300 calorie potato. So the hidden calories are the sugar and the oil, which we usually do not calculate at the time of our taking good diets. So that's why consume good diet, consume the plates which I have mentioned you, and see the changes into you. If you wish to start your health journey, then I have created an ebook for you. I'm giving you a link in the description. You can download from there. If you want my personal guidance, if you want my personal diet to give you some results in upcoming 45 days, or if you wish to lose your weight up to 10 kg in next 45 days, then feel free to contact me or message me directly. This is Bhupendra signing out for now. I know that you can do it. All you just need to know your fitness.